Now here's a robot which solves the Komodo Island exercise of WRO 2013, but only if the balls are all located on the right side, the red balls that is. So let's fire it up and see what happens. It goes to the island, and then it has two color sensors on an arm, which goes up and down depending on which platform we are at. Now, one motor to pick up the balls, which is quite normal, and after picking up the balls on this one side, it goes back to the scoring area. As you can see, it has 4 balls, so it will stop in area number 4. Now let's see what happens if it only gets 2 balls inside. So we're going to put the 2 balls in new positions like this. And let's place this one here. This one. Like that. And put a blue ball here just to make it as difficult as possible. So the robot gets back to start. We're going to empty it. And first we have to aim it so that it actually hits the island. Like this. And off we go. So that was a pretty poor aim, but let's see if it works anyway. Now it sees the first ball, yeah, and for the upper platform, it takes that ball, it comes to the end, and back toward the starting area. So now it should stop here in area number 2, which it did perfectly. So here we have one motor to drive the robot back and forth. We have one motor to lift the color sensors. The color sensors are here, but you can use light sensors as well, as long as you calibrate them. Now, the last motor is the normal arm to pick up the balls, and in the middle we have space enough for up to 4 red balls. This is a fairly simple robot, but unfortunately it only works if all the red balls are on the right side, or if you're only going to pick up balls from the right side of the island. Now, it is a simple mechanism to detect the balls using 2 color sensors like this, but unfortunately using a motor to lift the color sensors, one to pick up the balls, only leaves one for driving around the island. So if you want to pick up the balls which are on the other side of the island, I suppose you would have to build a robot which only uses one motor to travel around the island. And good luck about that.